Today I'm going to make this delicious curry. I'm going to use baby onions. I have 2 cups of baby onions that I use to make this delicious curry. I start by heating a pan and adding 2 cups of peeled baby onions. I'm using red onions today. It takes a while to peel these onions, but the curry is totally worth it. So I'm gonna saute them on medium heat for about 5 minutes till they turn brown. Now in a new pan, I am adding my whole spices, cumin seeds, peppercorns, a brown cardamom, some cinnamon sticks and a bay leaf. Saute this for a few seconds, and once the spices turn fragrant, I'll go ahead add about a cup or 3/4 cup of onion. I have a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and half chili. I don't like my curries too hot. So I'll saute this for about 5 to 6 minutes on medium heat till onions turn a little brown, then adding my ground spices, paprika, turmeric powder, coriander powder. You can add some garam masala. Add the spices you like. Season with some salt, half a cup of tomato sauce, and half cup of water. Mix everything and bring it to a boil. I'm going to cover it and cook it for a few minutes, about 8 to 10 minutes actually. And then I am going to add half cup or 1/4 cup coconut milk. The more coconut milk you add, richer the curry is. So I think today 1/4 cup should be enough. Some kasuri methi. And now our fried onions go in. Give it a good mix. Bring it to boil. And again cover it and cook it till onions get tender. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes on medium heat. And that's it. It's actually done. I'm going to remove the bay leaf. Now I'm going to dish it out and garnish it with some herbs. Today I'm using some fresh mint. Fresh mint goes really good with onions and coconut milk. Full recipe on my website yogchakra.com.